When Hamden receives nearly 10 inches of snow, Quinnipiac cleans the mess up quick. But the recent snow and freezing temperatures have left off-campus students dealing with slippery conditions.
It was pretty difficult because we didn't have the access to plows and heavy-duty equipment like the school does. I mean, as soon as it starts snowing, the school gets that cleared out, and we have to do it ourselves with shovels, sometimes not even a shovel, and small manpower.
Some needing AAA just to start their cars, and commuters having trouble getting out of their driveways.
Come on!
Off-campus residents took to social media to express their frustration with the university about classes being in session. Fortunately for them, the community was there where Quinnipiac wasn't. Plows eased the shoveling job. I'm Stephanie Fasano, Q30 News.